Right, first on top is the breaking news coming in from Ayodhya. Ram Temple Trust has submitted suggestions to lay the foundation stone from the temple site, and that for the construction to begin. Now, according to the temple's trust, the dates that are being suggested are 3rd of August and the 5th of August. The trust has sent Prime Minister an invitation for the ceremony as well. During the temple trust meeting, it was decided that the temple will have 5 domes instead of 3. Height will be more than that mentioned in the model map. The final call on the date will be taken by Prime Minister's office, however.
So, our 3 sadhus are also here. अगर वर्षा काल बीतने के बाद भी लॉकडाउन की कंपल्शंस बने रहे तो कार्यकर्ता गांव में नहीं जा पाएंगे, इसलिए परिस्थितियां सामान्य होंगी तब हम 10 करोड़ लोगों के सहयोग से इस मंदिर का निर्माण करेंगे। इस पर आज आम सहमति बनी है। जिस दिन से शुरू हो जाएगा, धन संग्रह हमारे हाथ में आ जाएगा, तो हम ये काम 3 वर्ष में पूरा कर लेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Right, so before we just get you a live update to reiterate what has been mentioned, Ram Mandir Trust has submitted this suggestion. It is only a suggestion for now of August 3rd and 5th. And to give us an update on that, my colleague Shivendra Srivastav is joining me live from Ayodhya. Shivendra, how big should be this news that they have given this suggestion? Because for the past few months, we've been hearing of meetings that are taking place. Then the pandemic happened. So what is going to be the procedure in this case now?
See, this was very important meeting which held here in Circuit House in Ayodhya today. All the trustees were present in this meeting, and this was decided that 2 dates are given to PMO for decision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether he will be available on 3rd of August or 5th of August. This needs to be decided by PMO now, one thing. And second thing, what will be the height of this main temple which is going to be constructed in Ayodhya anytime soon. Second and third very important thing was like how they will change in design of this trust, because this temple, because there were lots of demands from sons and different people in Ayodhya as well that demanded like this temple should be very big and very like historical. That's why they increased number of like domes in this temple, new structure, new design, which is decided in today's meeting. And 2 dates, 3rd August and 5th August, is sent to PMO for decision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And also height of this Garbh, which is which will denote height of this temple, which is increased to 161 feet as of now. This was first big meeting of trust after inception of this trust in Ayodhya, and now they will decide that like how PMO is going to take action on this date decision. And after that, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's decision on dates, they will start construction here in Ayodhya. So this meeting was very important, and trustees are saying that they will hold further meetings in Ayodhya for construction and design and layout of Ram Temple. But this was very important meeting in which they have decided which date will be sent to PMO, so that PM Narendra Modi can come to for Shilanyas in Ram Temple in Ayodhya.
All right, so this is definitely a very crucial development, and Shivendra Srivastav is in Ayodhya to get our viewers all the latest from the ground. Shivendra, keep tracking. Thank you very much. For now, these are the visuals on the screen about the meeting that has taken place.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.